This is a main tower theme park view room here at Disney's Contemporary Resort. Today we are staying in room 4342. I can enter the room using our magic band here. So let's head on in and take a look. As we walk into our theme park view room here at Disney's Contemporary Resort, we're going to start things off over to the left, which is going to be your closet space. Now these rooms are heavily themed towards the Incredibles franchise from Disney and Pixar. So you'll notice in the back here, the entire Incredibles family has all of their superhero outfits hung up on the hook. They do provide you with plenty of hangers to hang up clothes, and Disney's Contemporary Resort does also offer valet laundry service, which is a paid extra service. Down below, you'll find a luggage rack, as well as a shelf with 3 drawers built in available for additional storage. Above all of the hangers, to the left is going to be your extra pillow and blanket for this room. You do also have the in-room supplied hair dryer, as well as a steamer in this room. There is no iron and ironing board, but you do get a handheld steamer. The closet does extend onto this brown door over here, which is just some more shelf storage. You do have a pretty sizable safe in this room as well, large enough to fit multiple laptops. And then on the bottom, you do have 2 more drawers available. And this door here does have a full-size body mirror available for you to use to help yourself get ready. Now across from the closet, this is going to be the bathroom space. This bathroom does include a 2-sink vanity with a nice mirror featuring an inlay of the Monorail coming out of Disney's Contemporary Resort in this mid-century modern contemporary art style. On the countertop here to the left, you do have 2 120-volt outlets, and above you do also have a lit makeup mirror with a concave mirror and a standard mirror. You do have a box of tissues to the left. In the middle here, you do have some supplied toiletries, including sea salt bar bath soap, sea salt body lotion. You have a vanity kit, which includes cotton pads, cotton swabs, and a nail file. You have a shower cap, and you do also get a body of mouthwash. And on the right over here is another box with 4 washcloths in it. Now each sink does have its own towel bar in front of it. You have a wastebasket in the center. Off to the left, you do have some hand towels. Then off to the right, you do have 1 bath towel available. You have an extra large, extra long, I should say, glass door shower and bath combination with included shower and bath mat. On the back wall over here is a long extended cubby, so you have plenty of room for your own toiletries, but they do also provide you with wall-mounted Sea Marine shampoo and conditioner and sea salt body wash, and you do have 1 washcloth in the shower ready for you to go as well. 2 shower heads in the Contemporary. You have an extra large, kind of standard, somewhat rainfall shower head, and you do also have a detachable handheld shower head as well. You have 6 towel hooks in this room, and then you do also have a toilet room with some more artwork of Jack from the Incredibles. The toilet room is also going to be where you find all 4 of your other bath towels. There's your toilet. To the left of the toilet is going to be the wastebasket for this room. You do also get Scott branded extra toilet paper above the toilet tank. Now the door for the toilet room can be cordoned off. It is a pocket style barn door that can be opened and closed just like that. And this bathroom does also have a sliding door to help close it. The lock for this door is going to be found right over here, so nobody can open the door when that lever is out. And unlike other rooms with similar door designs, this door actually does a pretty good job of keeping the sounds out and prevents other people from opening the door. Now to the right of the closet area here is going to be a little convenience station Up top, you do have a provided ice chest for the hotel's ice maker. And you do also have a single pod Keurig K-Cup coffee brewer. Now, on the wall behind here are some little nods to the Incredibles movie, including companies like DevTech, Edna Mode's company, the Happy Platter from The Incredibles 2, and the Safari Court Motel where the Incredibles were staying after the Underminer incident. You do have a drawer here. If you open it, this is where you're going to find all of your K-Cups, your sugar and sugar substitutes, and your International Delight Dairy Creamer. You do also have paper cups, plastic cups, and coffee stirrers. No lids in this room. And then underneath here is where you're going to find the provided beverage cooler. And new this trip, I didn't notice this the last time, they do make sure that they let you know this is a beverage cooler and does not go below 41 degrees. So if you require medication or other items that need to be refrigerated, you'll have to contact the front desk for assistance. Now to the right of the coffee station here is going to be this very ominous door. Now you can request adjoining rooms and you can open this door to the next room over, which would be 4341. I'm not going to do that because we don't know the people next door, but that is something that you can do. And then here is going to be the bedroom and living space. Now these rooms here at Disney's Contemporary Resort do come with 2 queen-size beds. This bed here did come with a bath towel and 2 hand towels rolled into the shape of a Mickey. This bed here on the right comes with 4 available pillows to choose from, as well as a decorative pillow themed to Frozone. Off to the right here is a little nightstand which is located below the mattress. That does also offer 2 120 volt outlets and 2 USB-A ports. There is a nightstand in between the 2 beds that has plenty of countertop storage space. You do have an in-room phone. You also have a little paper here that gives you some information about the in-room phone. You have a couple light switches that control the lights above each bed. And then you do also have a light switch here in the middle to control this very nicely themed lamp above the nightstand. Nightstand does have a drawer right here that does have a Bible in it. There is also some additional theming. You have a Num Num Cookie. You have the remote control for the Incredibile. You have dashes, a new math textbook, and then a list of things to do from Mr. Incredible, all relating to events that happened in the second Incredibles movie. Now this other bed does also have 4 pillows to choose from, with a themed pillow to Edna Mode's logo that you see on the shopping bag in the second Incredibles movie. Now across from the beds here you do have a 3-person couch. This couch does fold down into a twin-size 5th sleeper if you do need it. Above the couch is a 55-inch flat screen TV with the updated set-top boxes that are hotel and room specific. All around the couch and the TV over here is some background artwork of superhero masks. To the left of the couch is going to be another little table space here. This is where we found some pamphlets relating to the parks as well as the TV remote. And then underneath here is a little stool that you can pull out if you want to move it around the room and sit elsewhere. You do also have a nice sized table here by the couch. Around the back of the couch over here is where you're going to find your wastebasket and recycling can for the room, and a nice mid-century modern themed floor lamp, which is actually conductive. You can turn that on and off using this button here, and it does have 3 dimmable settings. You also have a Hey Disney Alexa device in this room as well, plugged in to this strip of 2 120 volt outlets and 2 USB-A ports. Both of the beds here and even underneath the center nightstand are on raised platforms, so as you can tell, you can store all of your suitcases and all of your bags underneath both beds and the center nightstand. That way you have plenty of room to roam about your room. This is a theme park view room here at Disney's Contemporary Resort, and it does have a balcony. Right now I have the curtains closed just to kind of show you some of the artwork here in these pass-through curtains, you'll notice that there are silhouettes of the Incredibles family, as well as some nods like the logo. You have Mr. Incredible, Violet, Jack Jack, Dash. You do also have a blackout curtain here, which is also heavily Incredibles themed. You got Dash there, you have Jack Jack over there, you have Violet off to the left, and then on this right curtain is where you're going to find Mr. Incredible and Elastigirl. This is our theme park view here in our room. There are 2 latches for the balcony door, one up top and one right here by the handle. I can open this door over here. This balcony does have 2 chairs and a table, and offers a wonderful view of the entirety of the Walt Disney World Resort. You can kind of see Expedition Everest off there in the distance. You have the monorail, you have views of the Polynesian and Grand Floridian, and then the real moneymaker, the view here of Cinderella's Castle and the Magic Kingdom, Space Mountain and Tron, and you have an unparalleled view of the fireworks from these rooms as well. This is what the room looks like with the 5th sleeper bed pulled down from the couch. It actually does not take up any additional space whatsoever because they designed this couch very similarly to Disney Cruise Line so that it just folds right down on top of itself. You do have these straps that help to keep the mattress in place when it is up in the couch position. And then you do also have this additional cover here to maintain the aesthetics of the couch when it is folded up. So that is our walkthrough of the main tower theme park view room here at Disney's Contemporary Resort. For one night on a weekend at the end of July, this room costs us $558 after an available 40% off discount for annual pass holders. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like this in the future, please be sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Monorail Central for more Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Vacation Club, and Disney Cruise Line content, as well as more Walt Disney World Monorail project. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all real soon.